very, very distinguished and respected president of China, and we will be having some discussions. I think we've already agreed to a lot of things, and we'll agree to some more right now. But President Xi is a great leader of a great country, and I think we're going to have a fantastic relationship for a long period of time. And it's an honor to have you with us. Thank you very much.
我也很高兴和王主席见面，见面感觉到很亲切，毕竟我们多年没有见面了。再次当选以来呢，我们3次通话，多次互不信任，保持着密切。
We're happy to see you again. 很高兴再次见到你。Me too.
And we're going to have a very successful meeting, I have no doubt.
我肯定我们今天会有非常成功的会议。
But he's a very tough negotiator. That's not good.
但是他是很强烈的谈判者哦，这不好。
We know each other well.
我们相互之间非常了解。
Mr. President, do you plan to sign a trade deal today?
Could be.
有可能。
他问他有没有今天签署贸易协定，
We'll have a great
他说
understanding.
也许。
但是我们会达成很好的
We
理
have a
解。
great relationship. We've always had a great relationship.
我们这边的关系很好，关系总是很好。
我们之间的关系。
他问他是不是还再会。